Just when you thought that you couldn't have it all when it comes to buying a home in Hood River, my newest listing hits the market and it checks all the boxes. Welcome to 955 Roberts Drive in Hood River, Oregon. I cannot wait to show you this amazing home, but before we go inside, I want to tell you a little bit about the location. Located on a quiet cul-de-sac in one of Hood River's coveted Westside neighborhoods, this property truly has it all. Located just a stone's throw from Westside Elementary School and close to all Hood River has to offer. The mid-century modern architecture of this home, coupled with the aesthetics of the interior, make this home truly special. Let's go take a look inside. When you walk into the home, you're greeted by vaulted ceilings, floor-to-ceiling windows that showcase the lush greenery of the outdoors and an open-concept living space. This stunning kitchen features plenty of countertop space, a quartz waterfall island, wood-paneled cabinets, and brass decor, giving it a mid-century modern feel. Also located on the main floor are 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, which includes the primary bedroom and ensuite bathroom. The primary bedroom also features a walk-in closet and access to the expansive deck. This expansive deck is nestled in the trees, private and perfect for entertaining. Downstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom. One of the perks that can't be missed with this home is the 1-bedroom, 1-bath ADU with its own private deck. So if you're looking for a modern style home close to all that Hood River has to offer that also has income potential, this just may be the one for you.